Namaste, most respected dignitaries present in the reunion alumni meet of 2025, principal, vice principal and all other faculty of JNV Lathehar, dearest alumni students and the parents. It's my pleasure and honor to be associated with this alumni reunion meet and to share my memories that I had experienced during my tenure of 3 years, that is from 2004 to 2007 in this JNV campus. I am the founder vice principal of the school, and very soon I have been assigned by the Samiti to lead the school in the capacity of in-charge principal. Really, it's a memorable stay, as a new atmosphere for me, and leading and guiding the new staff in the campus is a great opportunity for me. I express my sense of gratitude to all of my colleagues who have worked with me at that particular time, Mr. Tiwari, Mr. Aravind, Mr. A.K. Jha, Kumar, Sunil Kumar, M.K. Dubey and Mr. B.B. Jha, who have also acted as the house masters and associate masters of the different houses of the campus. And especially I still remember, though many years passed, M.K. Dubey, computer teacher, used to assist me in carrying the children who are sick and most serious cases. He used to carry the child to the nearby hospital in especially the odd hours. So this is a memorable event, and all the staff who have extended their support, coordination and cooperation and all in strengthening the scholastic and non-scholastic areas of the school in particular. I and my wife very often discuss about the very affectionate send-off given by the students and the staff, starting from the main entrance of the building and to that of the main gate, by standing all along the road, by shedding their eye drops with sad mood. We were given the send-off, which is an event which is unforgettable in our life. I appreciate all of our alumni students for their efforts to excel in their career, and we wish them to continue with the same tempo in their future endeavors. I conclude with a quote that we can save many relations if we understand with a simple logic or fact that people are not difficult to understand, they are different. I repeat, we can save many relations if we understand a simple fact that people are not difficult, but they are different. Thank you so much for remembering me, for your patient listening. And I also take this opportunity to thank all of my alumni students for listening to us, for supporting the school to run and to excel in every field of the school. Thank you so much.